and it looks so cute. But everybody see the pig. That's how exactly I see it first. But I try to convince myself it's gonna be baby dragon. But hey, what the heck? I don't care. It looks so cute and it's bring luck. That's all I do. So no white top coat. But I don't know. Now I'll keep debating and see baby dragon, or I'm still keep asking and see float on the top. To make sure you don't pull the condensed glue gels out, you're gonna float it just on the top. So then what it does, purpose of your condensed glue gel and a no white top coat will hold your crystals stay in one place, and it will help grab your base of the crystals. Okay, that I am going to get this cute stuff right here. Now it's gonna be my, oop, almost. My blacks.
With this one, can we do how the color is supposed to go? Can we do the red, the
red,
black, and the green?
Okay.
So red, black, green.
Red, black, and green. What about yellow? Where yellow come from?
I don't know where they where the yellow came from.
I think they usually red, green, and yellow.
Nancy, your clients is going to get a lot of good compliments on her nails. Yes.
Yeah.
I always do. I always do. Anytime Nancy do my nails, people stop me and say, "Oh my gosh, can see your
Just
nails."
go to New Orleans and the girl stop her there.
Yes, yes.
Hold on, I need to find the smaller size of that.
I'll dig for some more smoke.
It's okay. No, I want smaller, but by the time you go get some and the life it's over. Just kidding. We just give him a hard time. It's so tiny, but I don't care. I like it. It's super cute. Okay, now I'm gonna add some of my beads in. It's funny, we'll just give him a hard time. It's okay. Oh, that's how the color's supposed to? It's so nice. See, it's good to have shies right next to me. Doesn't matter how cool you could. Oh, I have the silver one. If you happen like that, just knock it off. Does that have the colors? I don't like that. A little bit too big for that one. That's it. That's all I want. Wipe it off, pop in a lamp for about 60 seconds because the little pinky you want to. This is my favorite design when the clients would like to get like really nice simple crystal. It's for them to test it out first to start introduce crystal with them. This is like you can't charge for the service of $7 for this, you know, or $5. It really depends on the salon location. So it's with us like that. Without the beads, it's $5. With the bead, it's $7. Pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. I'm sure you do. What's Nuna? Thank you, Nuna. It's great. I'm gonna do a precision glue and then we are good to go. Okay. I think probably because we changed a different angle, so that's why it just.
Well, I have to change your finger. And people haven't really commented anything new on there yet, probably.
So I can't see Facebook though. Can I look on my Facebook? See if any question on Facebook at all?
No. It's been like that. This is a gentleman.
You can't view from here. I'm so sorry, Facebook. We're gonna catching up with you, okay?
Just nothing new. Nothing new. Let's just use right away.
Hey Kathy. Thanks so much for tuning in.
Sarah's just coming.
Hey Sarah, happy Valentine's Day, sweetie. Now I'm using my precision glue gel and just squeeze just a little bit. You don't want a whole lot of this, and whatever you feel when you give it a little bit exam, you're gonna test it first if you feel any scratchy, and then you're gonna fill it in just a little bit. Whole bottle is one bottle will go a long way. And I'm gonna put this cap back on because you don't want them to clog and dry up your bottles. And also, if you're just tuning in, just want to share with you, this is the brush right here. Then you can use it brush to apply on the cuticle area with the size SS3, SS4. If you are using ours precision glue and you just need one bottle of this to do a refill, you can always shop at on Amazon. If you have a Prime's membership, it's shipped to you to your door in like 2 days. Precision glue from Glitz accessory and such. Or you can get it from our website either way. Whoops. Like, pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds and that nails is completely done. Great. We'll have such a great live video tonight. So productive. We did beautiful set of nails, ombre. If you don't do any designs on it, you can really like follow with the ombre nude and yellow I did earlier, which is the 46 solids. And then this is the 14B, perfect for ombre nude colors. And if you doing the design like what I did it for Miss Shags, which is we're doing Black History nails, so we have it yellow. And we use a yellow base. So it's all cool, sort of cool nails. Hey, Argo, how are you? Happy Valentine. Thanks so much, Lori. Close for the cultural. Happy Valentine. Thank you so much. This is a completely done. We're gonna probably do some pictures on, to finish the other ones, and then we're gonna do some pictures. And then we're definitely gonna see you again tomorrow night. Now this is so beautiful, Michelle.
It is.
So gorgeous. We'll do some pictures, and then we're gonna see you tomorrow night. Don't forget to check out with Valentine's special sales going on right now, and all of the products that you see you can find on Glitz accessory and such. And remember to check out the class in Ann Arbor. Thanks so much, Argo. Thank you, Beba. And then don't forget to check out the class in Ann Arbor. And there's more detail for that. For first day, liquid and powder, dipping powder. Second days with crystal placements and nail art. And the third day gonna be a chance opportunity to become a master brand ambassador, to be working with us and on, you know, traveling and teaching all different classes and on the trade shows. So I'm so excited to share more live video tomorrow, and I will definitely see you tomorrow. Yes. Have a good night and happy Valentine, lady.
Watching